So you think you might want an F-150 Raptor, but in reality, maybe all you really need is an F-150 Tremor. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff, Ford and Isuzu, and today we're going to talk about this 2025 F-150 Tremor. Let's dive in. I'm not here to talk you out of a Raptor. If you really want one, they are amazing, but what type of off-roading do you want to do? Do you want to do some high-speed desert running? Do you want to take jumps, get a little bit of air? Well, then the F-150, or the Raptor R for that matter, is the perfect one for you with its long travel suspension. Ford has pretty much created a street legal stadium truck. It can get air, it can do some high-speed desert running. It's got a wider track for better high-speed stability, so it's actually wider than your average F-150, which is fantastic, but like everything, we need to make compromises. Primarily, it's the suspension. With this soft, cushy suspension designed to take air, it doesn't allow for a lot of tongue weight on the trailer, so if you put a trailer on this thing, the tongue weight in the trailer is going to get the suspension to squat down, which is not ideal for towing. So with the Raptor and the Raptor R, you are limited to 8,000 pound tow rating, which is not the full potential of an F-150. When properly equipped, an F-150 can tow close to 14,000 pounds. With the Tremor version, you're not going to make those concessions because the Tremor does not have the same sophisticated long travel suspension as the Raptor F-150, but it does have a much improved suspension, which is great for off-roading. So if you're not into high-speed desert running, but you're more into rock crawling, going on trails, well, the F-150 Tremor is perfectly designed for that. It's got off-road modes, it's got an off-road suspension. Obviously, it can go in the desert. It's designed for more slower-paced off-roading, and you're not going to have to make any compromises as far as towing ability goes with having that Raptor suspension. The Tremor is really cool. It has an additional ride height and ground clearance versus your average F-150. It's got unique styling, as we can see. For 2025, there are two engines available on the Tremor. You can get a 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost V6, which this one has, pumping out 400 horsepower, or you can get a 5 liter V8. The 5 liter V8 sounds cool, but if you want the most in power and torque, the EcoBoost makes more torque than the 5 liter V8, and it gets you as close to that top tow rating as possible. Nice looking trunk. We have Tremor branding all around it. A nice dual exhaust system, which sounds really nice. Even that EcoBoost V6 sounds pretty good. Not as good as the V8, but really nice. Side steps with 4 doors. This doubles as a fantastic family vehicle. Nice spacious interior. And the Tremor also has unique interior design, as we can see. It has this nice dirt and water repellent interior. Obviously, this is designed for a little bit more of an active lifestyle versus like the King Ranch or the Platinum with its fancy leather interior. This interior looks nice, but it's more durable. It's going to repel dirt, water, moisture a lot better than some of those more premium bougie interiors we find on like the King Ranch Platinum and limited versions of the F-150. Lots of space back here. And of course, one of the best seats in the house is the front seat. We have this cool contrast stitching throughout, contrasting colors, patterns, materials. That contrast stitching continues into the leather-wrapped wheel, into the center console. If you hit that button right there, the shifter will stow into the center console, keeping everything flat and flush. We have heated seats, huge screen for the infotainment system. 2025 is a great year for the F-150 because it got a pretty significant facelift in 2024. We have a backup camera, around storage galore, as you can imagine. We have auxiliary upfitter switches, so if you want to add additional lights, a winch, all that good stuff, you can do that with those. We have some additional off-road modes. We have trail control, which is like cruise control for going off-road. Allows for one-pedal driving, so you can focus more on placing the vehicle off-road and less on modulating the power, modulating between the brake and accelerator. We have integrated trailer brake controller. We've got the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Then the four-wheel drive system is really easy to operate. We have these buttons right here. Then we have this rotary dial. So you just twist it around. We have normal, we have slippery, and the gauge cluster might change the way it looks depending on which drive mode we have selected. And it might decide to pop it into full drive, pop it out of full drive, lock the rear differential. We can see in this off-road mode, it shut off the traction control, lock the rear differential, which is preferable for off-road driving situations. Then we have a rock crawl. That will want to put it in the low range, which we're not going to do right now. So you get the idea. Great sounding B&O audio system if you enjoy music. Well, thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. My name is Joe. We're Scarff, Ford and Isuzu, in business since 1922. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Our 104-year anniversary is coming up, and we'll see you soon.